In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link and connect your Google contacts to Pipedrive CRM. If you've ever felt the frustration of manually managing your contacts between different platforms, this guide will make your life significantly easier. By synchronizing your Google contacts with Pipedrive, you ensure that all your crucial contact information is seamlessly integrated into your CRM system, offering you a streamlined workflow and improved contact management. Let's get started. First, what you're going to do is navigate over to Pipedrive's website. Once you're there, look for the option to log in to your account. If you're not automatically directed to the login page, just click on the Login button, which you'll usually find at the top right corner of the homepage. Now, input your credentials and securely log into your account to proceed to the main dashboard. Once logged in, you're on the Pipedrive homepage. Here, pay close attention to the various navigation options available to you. Among these, you'll want to locate and click on your profile. In Pipedrive, your profile settings hold the key to customizing how your account interacts with external apps and services. So it's crucial to know where these are. After clicking on Profile, the next step is to navigate to Contact Sync. This is where all the magic happens in terms of connecting external contact lists to your Pipedrive account. It's essentially a hub that facilitates the integration of your Google contacts with Pipedrive. Clicking on Contact Sync will bring you to a new page where you'll find further instructions pertinent to managing your contacts' sync settings. On this page, you'll see a prominent option to add a new account. This is where you will connect your Google contacts to Pipedrive. When you click on Add New Account, a new window will likely appear, prompting you to log into your Google account and give permission for Pipedrive to access your contacts. Be sure to allow this permission, as it is necessary for the synchronization to work correctly. Upon granting the necessary permissions, Pipedrive will begin to sync your Google contacts. This integration will automatically update in real time, meaning any new contacts added to your Google account will simultaneously populate in Pipedrive. This feature is incredibly beneficial for maintaining an updated and comprehensive contact list without the manual hassle that usually comes from isolated databases. This straightforward process ensures that your contact management is consistent across platforms and saves you a lot of time and effort in the long run. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it smoothens your transition to an integrated CRM system with Pipedrive. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video if it made your Pipedrive operations just a little bit easier.